Namaskar. Welcome to my class Super KVNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to cover the 19th chapter of class 4th BS, that is Abdul in the Garden. In this chapter we will read about Abdul and his family, and we will have the knowledge of some particular trees. So let's begin the class. It was a holiday. Abdul was helping his Abbu, means his father, in the garden. Abbu was clearing the dried leaves from the vegetable beds, as the leaves and the unwanted grass harms the vegetables. That's why he was clearing. Abdul also started to pull out the grass from the beds, but he found it very difficult to pull out the small grass, as his hand becomes red by the effort. His hands become red as it was very difficult to pull out the small grass. In trying to pull out grass, Abdul knocked down a stick that was supported the pea plant. As you must have seen, pea plant, which is a climber, and it needs a support to grow. While trying to pull out the grass, Abdul knocked down a stick. The stick was broken and the stem was also broken. Abu said, "Why are you pulling the grass? The roots of the grass are strong. You will have to dig them out." Then Abdul's father suggested him that don't pull out the grass, rather going to dig it. Better if you will dig the grass, it will become compost. Abdul carefully dug out the plants. He then saw that roots of the grass plants were longer and much more spread out than the part of the plant above the ground. Finally, Abdul observed that the root of the grass was longer than it was appearing above the land. Abu remembered that he had to send some radish home. He started to pull the radish out of the soil. Abdul wondered whether these were also roots. When Abdul's father pulled out some radish, Abdul was wondered by seeing that it is inside the soil. He was confused whether the radish are roots. Only a few radish were pulled out, as it was strong wind and the rain. Both of them picked up the radish and ran. They had just reached home when a branch of the neem tree in courtyard broke and fell. When it was heavy rain, they moved back to their house. At the same time, the branch of the neem tree was fallen from the branch, and luckily it missed by only few inches. If it would have fallen on the head of Abdul's father, he would have injured. Despite the strong wind, the tree remained firm in the ground. They both sat down to have tea with Ammi. Abu said to Abdul, "The plants were getting dry. Now that it has rained, we will not have to water the plants. You can now sit and play Ludo." In spite of the heavy wind, the neem tree was stable. It was not at all harmed. And as it was raining heavily, now Abdul's father told that now we don't have to water the plants as it is raining heavily. Abdul has few more questions. You must have seen this type of plants in your campus also, even in your house also. Some plants grows from the wall cracks also. Few questions are there. How deep must the roots of these plants going to be? How do the roots get water? How big will this plant grow? What will happen to the wall? Can you give the name of the plant in the pictures? So these questions are arising, and the answers are, you can see here, how deep must the roots of the plant? Generally the plants grow in the walls. The plant's roots reach the soil. How do the roots get water? Roots get water from soil only. How big will the plant grow? These plants don't grow very much. What will happen to the wall? Its cracks will be increased. Have you ever seen a plant growing from a crack in a wall, window or edge? What was it? Yes, it's the boundary wall of our school. Here you can see the cracks. There is a law against cutting trees. It is strictly prohibited in India to cut the trees, whether you have planted yourself or not. The tree was so full of leaves that the light of the ball was blocked. People felt that branches of the tree needed to be trimmed. Before they do this, they need to take written permission from the government office. Even if you want to cut the branches also, you have to take the permission from the government, as the branches were disturbing the lamp post. They were in trouble. Do you know a desert oak is a tree which is found in Australia? It grows almost as tall as your classroom wall. It's very tall. It has very few leaves. Guess how deep its roots go down. Imagine the length of about 30 such trees laid down in a line end to end. Generally, oak trees found in a large numbers. Where it is found? Generally, it is found in Australia. These roots go deep into the ground till they reach water, and the oak tree has probably the longest roots. They still digging the soil till they reach the water source. This water is stored in the tree trunk. Local people knew about this. When there was no water in the desert, the local people used to put a thin pipe into the trunk of the tree to drink this water. As the water is stored in the trunk part of the oak tree, the local people use a hole in the trunk, and with the help of a small pipes they take the water out when there is lack of water in the desert area. The stick which was stuck in the ground fell very easily. It was difficult to pull out a small grass. Why? Because grass has roots which grip into the soil. There is no roots in the stick, so it is easy to pluck the sticks but not grass. Do all plants have roots? Yes. After 3 days, Abdul saw that one broken part of the pea plant had dried. Guess which part would have dried up and why? Obviously, the upper part is dried up due to the broken part. Water sucked by root could not reach there. Why do you think the neem tree did not fall despite the strong wind? As their roots are strong, which hold the tree in soil. On putting water in the soil where the plants are growing, the dropping leaves become fresh again. How? The roots of the plant soak the water from the soil which reaches the leaves and become fresh again. Where do the huge neem tree get water from? They have roots deep in the soil which soak water. What do you feel? Do all plants need water? Yes, all plants need water. Abdul wondered whether radish was a root. Why did he think so? Yes, radish is a root. It is a special kind of root which also serves as the storage of food. He thinks so because it was inside the soil. Find out and write which of these vegetables are the root of a plant. Radish, beetroot, cabbage, all these are roots of a plant. In which directions did the roots grow? And the stems. Roots grow in the downward directions and the stem grows in the upward directions. Thank you for watching. For details, you can visit my blog superkbs.blogspot.com, or you can write me at akm.kbs@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.